Someone here is really obsessed with you, and I feel like this person on your mind wants to say this to you. If you're seeing this message around October to December, this is your love reading. What I'm channeling here is there is someone who has like a romantic feelings for you pero hindi siya naging honest sa'yo. Kaya gusto kanyang makausap ngayon. Gusto niyang ayusin kung ano yung naputol na ugnayan yung dalawa. So, if you're thinking that this person doesn't care for you, nagkakamali ka. Actually, ni-stalk ka niya. Ginagawa niya lahat para malaman yung update sa buhay mo. Hindi ka pa rin niya nire-release or nile-let go. Nagtataka ka na nga kasi parang ang lumalabas kasi dito, tinatry niya nang ma-inlove sa iba. At ganun ka din. Parang nag-entertain ka na ng ibang lover. Tapos siya ay hindi pa rin nakaka-get over sa'yo. For some of you, you have been in a relationship for so long to the point